Hi, Steve here from Coffee Collection. I'm going to do a demo on a new product called the Prismo from Fellow, which is an attachment for the Aeropress. It comes in two parts, the 70 micron stainless steel filter and the base, and it has a prism in the bottom. That's why they call it a Prismo. And it makes the Aeropress operate under pressure. But let's see how it works. Fits in like so, screws into the bottom here. Very nice tight fit. I'm going to put about anywhere between 15 and 20 grams of freshly ground, fairly finely ground coffee. Give it a shake, get it nice and level. Now, one of the things you'll notice when you pour the water in is that it doesn't leak, and that's one of the big advantages. So steep it a little bit, give it a little bit of a, and then of course we'll give it a bit of a 20 turns or thereabouts. Give it a look at the mixing up. This really enhances the flavour of the coffee. It comes out like an espresso style, very sweet and full body, and very syrupy. It's very nice. But anyway, let's continue to see how it works. A little bit more water in the top there. As you can see there, no leakages, which is a very important thing. Over to the cup and the plunger, of course. We're going to put the plunger in, and of course you'll see how this comes out. Apply a fair bit of pressure, a bit more pressure than normal, and you can see here it's coming out the bottom. Very nice flavour, and you'll be able to hear it hiss at the end as it and there it is. Doesn't get a full crema on it, but it gets a nice body on it. Let me have a taste. Oh, very sweet. So that's the Prismo. It comes in a nice, nicely packaged box. And check it out. Have a look at my photos and see what you think. I reckon it's a great invention. As you can see, they're still not leaking. It's very easy to clean. You just undo this, and the puck comes out, and you just give it a rinse in the tap. Well, this is Steve here from Coffee Collection. Catch you next time. Bye.